How to check shared albums on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. The purpose of a phone's Photos or Gallery app is to view, organize, and manage photos and videos stored on the device. Now, scroll all the way down until you reach the Albums section at the bottom and tap on it as shown. At the top of the album list, there are options for Personal, Shared, and Activity. Tap on Shared. This action reveals a list of all photo albums that you have either shared with others or that others have shared with you. Then tap on a specific album in the list to open it and view the photos inside. You can add photos to your selected album by tapping the plus icon at the bottom. Following these steps, you can easily check shared albums on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.